Hello everybody and welcome back to the channel. I'm Dubber. You'll have to excuse the sunglasses, but the sun is making one of its rare appearances this year. Today I'd like to talk to you about what I use on lightweight trips for eating off of bowls, plates, etc. My go-to for a number of years, and I've had this for a long time, is the Fozzles Solo Pack. For those of you not familiar with Fozzles, basically it's plastic origami, and this one pack, which is very slim and easy to stuff in the rucksack or a pannier, contains everything you should need as a solo traveller. So inside it you have a folding spoon, a folding bowl, a folding plate and a folding cup. Now how these work, as I said, it's plastic origami. Everything has got the crease lines in it and they're directional crease lines, so they only want to fold one way, and it's got snap fasteners on it that just hold it in place. So you just fold it on the crease line and snap it shut. As easy as that. And there you have what is not a massive plate, but because it's got such deep sides, you can easily get a good serving for one in there. I've got a big appetite and that will hold enough food for me. The bowl, very similar, fold and snap. And this one don't want to plate. And you've got a good sized bowl, plenty enough for cereals in the morning or rice or whatever else you're going to use a bowl for. The cup, yes, you can use it as a cup, but I find I've always got a better drinking vessel with me, be that my titanium mug or whatever. I do find it useful though for sides. When I'm traveling through France and things, I will tend to have a meal with like a side salad, just buy pre-made salad from a supermarket. Ideal to put a bit of salad in there to have alongside your main, or if you're eating off of a dirtier surface, I put my bread or anything else I need to keep off of that surface in there. The one thing I don't really use is the spoon. The best I can say about it, yes, it's a spoon. It's not ideal though, and I will always use a spork or whatever other eating utensil I've got. Having said that, it's got me out of trouble a couple of times when I've lost my spoon or can't find it when I need one. And for that reason and that reason alone, it always stays in the pack with the rest. In terms of ease of use, you've seen they go together very easily. And when it comes to washing up, I find it easier just to break it down to its flat shape again. And a quick wipe down with a wet cloth and it comes clean. It's got like a non-stick surface on it and food just glides off of it. Very easy to clean. You don't need oodles of water. If you're wild camping and water is a scarce resource, these are absolutely ideal. As I said, I've had it for a number of years. I've used it a lot. I highly recommend it. The only pitfalls with it are it's not overly substantial. So if you have got a meal on there, a hot meal, and you want to sit it on your knee, the heat will transfer through it and it is hot on your knee. And if you're planning on using it to eat steak with a steak knife, you will soon damage the surface if you're using sharp implements to cut through something tough on it. Having said that, I will, if this ever fails me, and it's no sign of failing yet, I will replace it immediately. At the moment I've got two kits, one for me and one for my partner. She tends not to do as much camping as I do, so I've always got a built-in spare there. And I have been looking on the Fozzles website at their newest designs, which are transparent with contour lines like you'd see on an ordnance survey map, and I really do like the look of those. They're retailing at about £20, $20 I believe. So yeah, in short, highly recommend. Once you've done with it, it all folds away nice and neatly. into its own storage pack, which is easily then stashed back in your rucksack and or pannier. There is space in this pack as well. What I tend to do is in this pack I will shove either a rag or a cleaning sponge, so everything you need for your plates is basically in this one pouch, and it's easily locatable inside your pack. Hope this was useful to some of you guys out there. If it was, I'd appreciate it if you could like and or subscribe, and I'll see you again. Keep on dabbling.